Hey everyone, welcome to Sangeeta's Kitchen Delight. I am Sangeeta, your host. Today I will be making barbecue chicken and I will make in gas stove. But still we will not compromise in taste and the flavor also. So how to make this I will share with you today. In this video I will share lots of tips and tricks, so watch this video till the end. Let's start. Here I have taken two whole chicken leg plus thigh piece. It is skinless. Now I am scouring the chicken with a sharp knife so that all the spices will go inside of the chicken, and it will make the chicken very tasty and flavorful from the inside also. One more important thing before marination, that is we have to dry up the chicken before marination with a kitchen tissue or kitchen towel so that the extra water in the chicken will not make the marination watery and the marination will stick on the chicken properly. Now the chicken is ready to go in the marination. Next step is we'll make the marinade. In a large bowl, I am taking the hung curd or very thick curd 2 tablespoons, adding some vinegar, salt as per my taste, crushed black pepper 1 teaspoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, cayenne pepper 1 teaspoon. If you don't get this one, you can increase the red chili powder also. This pepper will add a very different flavor into our barbecue chicken. Adding cumin powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, and dark soya sauce 1 teaspoon. Next I will add Worcestershire sauce 1 teaspoon. And now I am adding smoky barbecue sauce 1 tablespoon. As today we are making the restaurant style barbecue chicken, that's why I am adding a pinch of red food color, but it is completely optional. I am just adding to get a look of restaurant style chicken. Adding olive oil around 1 tablespoon or bit more. Now mix everything together to get a very nice marinade. I am using here a whisk. And now I am adding the chicken into the marinade. After that I will coat the chicken with the marinade very well using my hand. And make sure all the spice should go into the chicken cuts also. I will cover the chicken with a clean wrap and then we'll keep the chicken into the refrigerator for the 4 hours at least. But overnight is the always best. After 4 hours I am coming back. Now I am making a space between the chicken and placing a steel bowl with a handle in that. Now we have to light up the piece of charcoal, a small piece of charcoal. It has to become red. Now it is almost red from the both sides and I am putting this in the steel bowl and adding 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and cover it with aluminum foil quickly, placing a plate on it so that no steam can escape. We'll rest it for 15 minutes at least. Now our chicken is ready to cook and I am throwing out the charcoal away. Here I have already preheated the cast iron grill pan and now applying the butter on it. And then place the marinated chicken on the grill pan. Time to flip the chicken. We have to grill the chicken from the both sides and keeping the heat medium to high. When it is almost cooked from the both sides, I am applying the barbecue sauce with the help of a brush. To cook this chicken, we need 15 minutes plus minus 15 minutes for each side of the chicken. On another side, we also have to apply the barbecue sauce. I am holding the chicken with the help of a tongue to fry from the sides also. Our barbecue chicken is completely cooked and it's perfect in flavor and taste. Now I'll serve the chicken with some fresh salad. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give a thumbs up, and if you are not my subscriber, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Till then, take care and bye.